How's it going, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to transpose text easily using awk. Vertically arranged text can be transposed horizontally or vice versa, and here's the use case. Whether you're trying to convert the interface related config into a CSV for better readability, or converting from this CSV style text into a config file for your network change, this can be easily done with this script. So what I meant by horizontal type is that each of the field would be separated by comma, and each interface information is laid out horizontally, reading from left to right, and each row is synonymous to each individual interface. And as for the vertically arranged text, this is read from top to bottom, and each of the interface sections must be separated by an empty line. Let me just do a quick demo. And to go through, these are the files I have prepared. For input files, there's this HOR, which means horizontal. See? And I also have the vertical file, which is layout as described. So to run the script, we need to provide an input file, and after you run the script, right, the script would throw the output into a new file. Maybe let's try to convert the horizontal file into vertical, and we have to provide this as the input. We run it by doing bash transpose. See, now the output file is this one. Let's take a look. So it converted from this to this. A little bit more about the script. It consists of two awk commands. One will convert from vertical to horizontal, and the other will convert from horizontal to vertical. The script starts off by reading the input file. If it contains comma, right, this means that the input file is CSV and the horizontal to vertical awk command is triggered. So else the other command will be executed. And finally, let's do a final demonstration for the CSV to config file conversion from scratch. Because as you can see, the prepared file that I have actually contains description and interface, right, and IP address. But usually what you will have is this. So I have this command already prepared. What I'm going to do is that to this file, right, I'm going to add the appropriate strings to every and each of the columns. For the first column, I'm going to add interface. Second column, description. And third column, definitely IP address. I use printf because it doesn't print a new line by default, which will mess up the whole input file itself. And you can see that end of each row, right, I can specify to add a new line after each row. And you can see that all this position matches. So $1 refers to column 1, so on and so forth. And all this you are saying here is actually that the output format that you want, which is string. So let's run it. So I forgot to mention that -f comma means that awk will read the file with the comma as a delimiter rather than the default space. So maybe let's run this command and output it into something like maybe a TMP. So this file has been massaged, and I will do the conversion right now. Bash. So this has been converted to a vertical type file. See, H2V. Let's check. See, it's done. And you can even convert this one back to just to prove the script does the automatic conversion. We do the bash. That's a CSV, right? See? So that's all I have, folks. And as usual, the code for this script is available in GitHub under the video's description. I hope this is information is useful. Thank you all for watching.